Hi all, today we are going to make capital and small letter alphabet craft. So this craft is the best idea for kindergarten group. To make this you need all these materials and these are easily available at home and any stationery stores. Capital and small ABC jumble circle you can make on your own or you can contact me for the printout. So let's start with the process. First you need the cutout of a snail and the ABC jumbled circle. So here this is a split pin. Using this you will make a small hole in between the circle and on the snail also. So just follow the steps how I am doing. The split pin is sharp, so I suggest children to take help of teacher or parents. So once you made the hole, now you can see this from behind also. So this is how it should be. Now you can take out the split pin. Now we need the hands, like we usually have the hands for clock also, the same way we need here also, but we need two same hands here. So this is how I have done here using a single punch. I have punched this, or you can take help of the split pin also. Now you have to add all these together. Just do as I am doing, and now from behind you can just lock it. Yes, that's how you have to lock using split pin. Now using cello tape you can just cover the split pin, and on top of it you can just add a paper. Use glue or anything, and or you can just use the cello tape also to stick it. Now the major part is done. Let's complete the snail. We have to stick eyes, mouth and the antenna. So here are the eyes. Now we are going to just stick the eyes. So here I have made these eyes myself. It's your wish, you can just even go with googly eyes which you get in the stores, or you can make on your own. Now let's stick the mouth. Mouth also you can do in different ways, so it's totally your wish. Children or teachers, you can do on your own. And I want to hide the split pin top, so I have just used a small circle over there, so I'll stick that also. And the antennas, yes, in the same way you have to do this. So this is the last thing we have to do in the clock, this ABC clock. And that's it. Your ABC clock with a beautiful snail is done. The important thing is how to play. So it's very easy. As I told, one side the capital ABCs are there and on the other side small ABCs are there. So if a teacher and a child is playing, teacher will place one hand on capital and she can call out a child and tell him to place the other hand on the small letter. So this is how the parents can also play with the child. So I hope they will really enjoy it and they will learn capital and small letters easily. No doubt this craft will be helpful for teachers in school, parents at home, for engaging children in fun learning way. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. I'll meet you with an exciting new unique activity in the next session. Till then, keep watching my videos, share with your friends, family, and don't forget to subscribe. The same way you can make this amazing clock on your favorite cartoon, animal, birds. So whatever you like, you can just stick the same clock on that and you can just learn. Bye all of you.